Okay, so let's see what we've got in the box. Let's just open this up here. And we've got, voila, we have a forge splitter. Now these are specifically made for recirculating turbo vehicles like my Sandero is. This little device has the ability to go full Atmos, or we can go full stealth mode, or we can go direct recirculating. So okay, let's see what else is in the box. In the box we've got some covers, another one with the O-ring, and we've got a little tube. It's basically the vacuum line that goes into the back of the blower valve, which is that line over there. It goes in there, it plugs into that there. So now that we've unboxed it and we've seen what's in the box, let's go and fit it. Let's head off to sngreasemonkeys and let's go and video the fitment and see how it sounds, and see if we can get that nice blow-off sound that all beautiful turbo cars make. Let's go and let's have it done. I'm here with Shabir from sngreasemonkeys, and we're going to fit the forge splitter blow-off valve onto the car, and I'll take you through the whole setup and the whole fitment of that in a little bit. So we're going to be taking this pipe off, that pipe off, this comes off, that comes off, this goes there. So basically it's going to be sitting like that. That is how we're going to have it. That pipe plugs in over there, that pipe plugs in over there, and this dial over here turns. We can turn this dial, this one here, to set how much pressure we want to release. Doing the fitment of the blower valve onto the car. He's been so kind as to do it after work for me, and basically just a straightforward setup, but we decided I was in a video and he would do the fitment, so that I can get some good shots in as well as some commentating, instead of just doing the thing and just having it videoed on the one side. So let's see how things work out, and I'm going to put you on time lapse for this. As you can see, it's been fitted. Quick 5-minute job, just unscrew, unplug and plug back in. So let's start it up and let's see what it sounds like. Right like it. So there we have it. It's fitted. It's all fitted. Sorry for the sunlight, but yeah. Shabir, that should be it. There's nothing else we should do. Should we turn it down a little bit more and have a little bit more Atmos, or should we leave it as is?
It's totally up to you. That sounds nice. Okay. Like it.
I think what we do is, for now, let's leave it as it is, and as we go on, we can see if we want to bring it down some more and vent more into the atmosphere. Shabir, thank you very much for doing this. I know it's after hours. I know it took some time from you.
Always a pleasure.
But yeah, guys, if ever you need some work done, hit this gentleman up. I'll leave his details again for you in the description, as well as across the screen over here. Shabir, thank you very much, bro. As always, thanks.